We finished up at that little temple and we're back on the boat and we're going to go check out one more temple and then we'll call it a day from there. Okay, so we're going back by Wat again. Probably one of the most recognized temples in Thailand. The Temple of the Dawn. And it was renovated fairly recently. You used to be able to go all the way up to the top, but now you can only go down in the lower, like right around that gold there on that prong. And you can see there's a ferry that takes you right over there to the dock. It's easy to get to from around the Grand Palace area. And over here we got the Royal Thai Navy headquarters again. You can see the fortifications. I think that's a little shrine to Prince Champon, who's considered the father of Thai Navy. And he died at at a young age, like in his 30s, he died from the flu. There's a shrine down around Champon dedicated to him. And then this is the Wat Vichai Prasat Fort. And it's built up, looks like a ship. This is really cool. One of the early fortifications of Bangkok that's still around. And then one more temple right here. And we got one of the big dinner cruises. They're getting ready to get started up. You can see them prepping the boat. So it looks like we're going to go to this temple instead of, they changed their itinerary. Okay, so we changed plans here and we ended up stopping at a different temple than what was on the itinerary. This is Wat Kanlayanamit, which is a Rama III era temple. And I've never been here before. I don't know much about it. I just know that it was built by Rama III for his best friend. That's what I guess the Kanlayanamit means, is like best friend. So we're going to go and we're going to walk around. And with Rama III, he has a lot of stuff that's tied into with China. So his friend was actually a Chinese guy, and you can see over this little building here has like the Chinese dragons and stuff on it. And then those little pagodas look Chinese. There'll be a lot of Chinese influence in this temple. This is the front of the temple. Now you can see the Chinese lanterns. You see the Chinese Buddhists over here. Oh, this is kind of neat. Let's walk over there and look at that. So you see they're burning the candles. And here's the Chinese Buddhas. I want to look at this one over here. This one's kind of interesting. It has this Buddha with the prayer wheel behind it, but it has the dragon. Oh, this is really nice. I haven't seen one like this. So this is interesting. So you can see there's the face of the Chinese dragon. That's instead of like a naga, you'll see there's the prayer wheel and then there's the seated Buddha. Okay, so we're going to go in here and we're going to look in this Ordination Hall. Yeah, this temple is fantastic. I'll come down here another day and just do a video specifically of this temple, I think. Now, look at how colossal those doors are. Wow. This building is gigantic. Okay, and then it has, of course, the normal stuff, all the detail work. Wow. So here is the main Buddha. Holy smokes, this is massive. And then you can see how the chandeliers are hanging down, and then all the floral print on all those columns. Now you go up over the threshold and then you come down into a hole basically. And so everybody's in here praying, rattling the sticks. And then there's all the stuff on the pedestal for the Buddha. And on here you have the drum. And over here's the lucky numbers. So they do the rattling of the sticks and then they find their lucky number for their fortune. And then people can make donations to the temple here. They have the candles, the normal stuff. But this is This is an amazing Buddha in here. Okay, so let's look around the temple really quick and see what else is here. We only have a few minutes at this temple. Right out front is this massive bell tower. You can see the humongous bell, and then the drum will be up there. Then it has this prayer hall over here, and it looks like it may be locked up. It might be over here. Let's look over this way. Yep, it's locked up. So no luck to look in there. Have to come back another day. Like I said, I want to come back. I'll come back here to this temple and do a video just dedicated to it. This is really fantastic. And you can see the front of the building. And hear the Chinese music playing, the Chinese chanting. So everybody comes here. This is where they come and they burn the candles and light the joss sticks. And they have one building over here. They have a little glass room here. This is where people make the donations to the monks. You have a reclining Buddha over there, and there's a monk, and he's doing the little sermon now. And let's look in this one last building here. Looks like they're doing a little bit of renovation. I can hear the monks in here chanting, so we have a ceremony going on. You can see the Buddha image up there. This is an old hall here. Wow. You can see the murals that are faded on the walls in there. Yeah, this is a nice hall. Oh, this is an amazing building here. So these are all the old Ayutthaya style murals in here. Wow, this is nice. Yeah, this building here definitely be worth coming to see again. We'll let the monks do their thing. Okay, so here's that big hall where it has that Buddha in it. It is gigantic. What an amazing temple. And then you have some chetties, and you have more of the grounds out here. Yeah, this was a real treat. This is a good way to finish the little tour today. And you can see the gates of the wall. All right, guys, so that finishes up our video today here on the Chaopraya River in Bangkok. This has been a fantastic day. I've enjoyed this a lot. Hopefully my video isn't going to be 4 hours long. I mean, we spent 6 hours on the boat, and I kind of always want to catch and show everything just because there's so much cool stuff going on. And well, I'll try to trim it down and show you the highlights, the best stuff. So anyway, guys, we saw 5 different temples plus the little Chinese shrine, and we walked through and seen a lot of stuff. All this stuff I've never seen before. I've never been to most of these temples. I've been by them, and I didn't know anything about them. So I'm really happy that we've had a chance to see them today. So anyway, if you guys liked the video, make sure you click the like button, smash the like button, just takes a second. And if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends if you want on your social media. The subscriptions does me the most good, and it also notifies you whenever I post a new video. You get to see the content that I'm putting out. And I show you stuff just like this. I show you things that I see every day in Thailand. And if you enjoy it, then definitely subscribe, and then you can see all the new stuff. And leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. If you want to do something like this, tell me also. If you have any questions, let me know. Sometimes I don't explain well enough, so just ask me a question down in the comments, and I'll do my best to explain it. So as always, guys, from Bangkok, remember, life is a journey. Until next time, enjoy.